what are the different benefits of practicing mindfulness, and what are the advantages, what are the miracles, and what happens when you really practice mindfulness. Hi and welcome. My name is Soumya, and you are watching Soulful Success. I am a mindfulness and self love coach and trainer, and I help people in overcoming their challenges in life and also help them in becoming their best versions. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you the different benefits and advantages of practicing mindfulness, what really happens when you sincerely practice mindfulness. So, I'll just share my screen here. The first one, heals past karma and create no more negative karma. Whatever is your past karma, and also it will help you in creating in not creating any more negative karma in your life. Overcoming anger. If you have a lot of anger issues, it helps you in overcoming anger. Overcoming fear. Any kind of fear, if you have, it helps in overcoming that kind of fear. Get over addiction to people or substances. It helps in breaking the addictive patterns of your brain. If you are addicted to some person or to any kind of substance like alcohol or smoking, etc. Next, get over a breakup or a separation or a divorce and create a clean place in your heart for that person. If you have want to overcome a breakup, or you are going through a separation, or you are going through a divorce, it will help you in overcoming the emotions and handling those emotions, cleaning those emotions, and also you will have a clean heart. You will not hold resentment and anger and frustration and all of that. Heal anxiety. If you are a person who has a lot of anxious thoughts, who is always having a lot of anxiety about things or situations in your life, it helps you in healing anxiety. The next is heal migraine. Migraine, we all know, it is a very painful process which we undergo. I also used to have migraine, I also used to have anxiety, and I overcame all of them using mindfulness. Heal panic and panic attacks. So we all know that many people have this panic attacks. They have a lot of panic in getting out of their home, or socializing with people, or some people have this get these panic attacks when they are about to board a flight or something like that. So it helps in healing their panic attacks. Next, be at peace no matter what is going on in your life. Whatever is might be happening in your life, anything, it will help you in staying grounded and peaceful in your life. Heal all forms of suffering and negativity. Any kind of suffering you are going through, mental, emotional, physical, any negative, situations, people, thoughts, it helps you in healing that. Helps in healing depression, helps a lot in healing depression. I was the one who had a lot of depression, and I came out of that depression. It helps you in designing and creating your dream life. We all have a dream life, right? Like, I want to have such a beautiful life, beautiful partner, beautiful home, and a dream career or job or business, and I want this much money. So it will also help you in creating your dream life. Live in the joy of the life, in the joy of the moment. So if you are, for example, watching a rainfall, it's raining, and you're just looking at the rain, you will just enjoy it without any other thoughts in your mind. It's not that you are just looking at the rain mechanically and in your head there are so many thoughts going on. It's not like that. You will enjoy the moment, you will live in the joy of life. Overcome judging and fear of judgment. You will not judge others, and you will also get rid of the fear that people will judge you. What will they think about me? What will they speak about me? Etc. etc. Log kya kahenge? Because we all have been uh, part of that societal conditioning where we always feel and think first about people and not about ourselves. So, what will people think? What will people say? What will people do? So, you will get over this pattern. Gain amazing confidence, gain amazing concentration in whatever you're doing. Okay, the next one. There are infinite benefits actually, but here I have come up with 35 benefits for you. Less ego, more love, more compassion. Okay, heal the unforgiveness part. If, for example, you are somebody who has that bitter feelings or bitter emotions for someone for what they have done to you in your past, or even if they are doing it right now, you can heal that unforgiveness aspect. You can forgive them. So it will mindfulness will help you in forgiving that person, and forgiveness is really very important, trust me. When you forgive the other person, it will set you free and also the other person free. So that karmic, bond, that karmic imbalance will not be there anymore. It is very important to forgive people. Overcome the habit of being a critic, always criticizing others. If you are someone who has this habit of like things should always go by my way, and why people are not listening to me, or they are not going you know paying heed to my advice, or they are not listening to me, so you become critical in that time. So it mindfulness helps you in overcoming that critical nature of yours, or that critical mentality. Because when you become too critical, it is not good for your own health and also for the other person. Next, overcome worry and tension. Any kind of worry, any tension you have, it helps you in overcoming that. Heal various forms of physical pains, like we discussed about migraine. Also, if you have any kind of pain in your jaws, or if you have any kind of pain in your shoulders or your knees or your calf muscles, any kind of physical pain where it is not like a clinical issue where you have to get admitted, not to that level, but other normal physical pains, mindfulness definitely helps a lot. And I should tell that it has helped of people who have really sincerely practiced it to the T. Someone I know personally also, with practicing mindfulness, they have healed, come out of that, their HIV. They were HIV positive and they came out of that. And also cancer. But this is an alternative healing therapy. But mindfulness is not completely a healing therapy. It is a way of life actually. Okay. Next, it helps in healing diabetes. Mindfulness can help you in making your diabetes almost to normal, like you will become pre-diabetic. Heals blood pressure almost to normal. Stops the chit chatter of your monkey mind. Our monkey is compared to, sorry, our mind is compared to a monkey. So the mind is always, the chattering of the mind is always going on. So when you practice mindfulness, the chit chatter of your monkey mind slowly, gradually goes down and then stops. Heals your past pain, trauma, or suffering. If you had some kind of trauma in your past, some severe issues have happened in your life, or if you had undergone severe suffering, it will help you a lot. You can completely heal out of that. Protects and take care of your temple, your body. Your body is a temple where your soul lives. So it's so very important to protect your temple from outside and as well as inside. So when you practice mindfulness, it will take care. of your body, inside and out, turns negative people and situations to positivity and peace. So if there is someone in your life who is negative, always cribbing, crying, complaining, condemning, criticizing, etc., etc., when you practice mindfulness, that person will either change or they will completely leave your life and go away. Either of the two things will happen. Next, stress-free life. There will be no stress, because when you are practicing mindfulness, you will be like very free, carefree, and happy. Become more successful in life in all aspects of your life, be it your education or your career or business or whatever. Understand and acknowledge who you truly are. When you go through the practicing of the mindfulness, you will understand and you will realize so many things about yourself. No more a prisoner of your mind. You will not be a prisoner of your mind and the thoughts. You will be very free and happy and peaceful. Create solutions and live a happy and peaceful life. So if we all have challenges in life, and challenges are normal and natural. Until we are here on this earth, challenges are a part of our life. But when you practice mindfulness, you will be able to create solutions and not get, tensed and worried and panicking about the problems or the challenges. You will be able to create solutions easily and live a happy and peaceful life. Stop attracting negative people and situations into your life. When you practice mindfulness, only good things will happen to you. Good people will come into your life, and you will have more positive, calm, happy, peaceful situations, things, everything. Your life will completely change 360 degrees. This is 100% sure. I am a living example for that. So I hope this video has helped you in understanding the benefits of practicing mindfulness. And if you like the video, give a thumbs up, do comment and share the video. If you like more of such content, do subscribe, and I'll see you in another video soon. Take care. Bye.